It's the armor of the seed that protects it until someone eats it or something.
It's like a little briefcase, which is the strawberry one, and one's a roaring suitcase, which is the mango one. They're little like dipsy doos for the seeds. They're little. Bean has special compartments right where the seeds are. So there's the suitcase, and then on the inside are like pockets for the seeds, like we learned in the book. Suitcase. This is the suitcase, and then the pockets, and then the seeds go in the pockets. The seeds are kind of protected, but not fully protected as an apple or an orange. Everybody eats the banana seeds, so not very well protected. Definitely not big and deep.
Well, there's 2 seeds on each side.
Every fruit that we cut open, I saw it, the style of it,
Okay.
I learned that all fruits inside, the seed is always in the middle.
Some of the banana seeds can be so tiny that you would need to have a microscope or a magnifying glass to look at all of the tiny seeds.
I learned that they come in like different sizes for and it's like really different because and it's in the same like fruit.
One of the apples is like shaped as a star for their where they put the seed.
The grape, it kind of has like this squishy thing inside of it, and the seeds are inside over there.
Cells under the skin.
If you need more, I got 2
They have
more.
little cells.
I got 2 more.